of heaven when things get so bad, the things that make you so sad. Do you think about how you're all alone? You're not doing this on your own. There's one being who saves our souls. Now I pray before it's too late, an angel comes down to me and gives me my own set of wings. The angel sings, come and sit down with me. I'll give you this prophecy, a second chance and a pair of wings. 'Cause you're an angel, not a